power bank from Bintang. Yeah, this power bank is a new one. And can you see the style? It's wireless. There's no wire here. Yeah, so you can get it here. Yeah, so we can use it like this. Yeah, so you can use it no wire here. And then it's free for you. It's free for you. Do you want to know how? Do you know? Yeah, if you want to get it, yeah, just join photo contest. Photo contest, you take picture one here, and then you upload it on Bintang SEC, Bintang ACC fan page, and then you ask your friend to like it. Yeah, ask your friend to like it. So if you got a lot of likes, yeah, you will be the winner, and then you will get this power bank from Bintang. But don't worry, next week we also have one power bank. Yeah, so please come here again. Next week we will give you this thing. Okay, let's invite the educator from today that will announce who is the best speaker. Who will get something from Bintang again. Okay, big applause for Mr. Ahmad.
For the time,
just information for the participants. BPEC, especially Bintang, provide the several gifts or their prize for the participants. The best speaker here. In this case, we have some assessment. Assessment are
brother, here.
The best speaker
Kenapa suka mati-mati?
will get headphone. Yeah. One, you are the lucky. The score 110. The best speaker, namely Mr. Aiko.
Hurry up, please. I have no time.
Once again, the best speaker, Mr.
Me.
The best speaker, Mr. Adin.
Hey, no, you, what is your name? Yeah, okay.